Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of capsicum, the genus that includes both bell peppers and chili peppers. Let's explore their nutritional value, health benefits, and more. Capsicum, also known as peppers, belongs to the Solanaceae family. It's native to the Americas and is cultivated worldwide for its edible fruit. But what makes capsicum so interesting? First, let's talk about nutrition. Capsicum is rich in vitamins and antioxidants. It's a great source of vitamin C, which supports our immune system. Plus, it contains vitamin A, potassium, and dietary fiber. Now let's discuss capsaicin, the compound responsible for the spiciness in chili peppers. Capsaicin has several health benefits. It's known for its anti-inflammatory properties and may help with pain relief. Did you know that capsaicin can boost metabolism? It increases thermogenesis, which means it helps burn calories, so adding a little spice to your meals might be beneficial. Capsicum may also support respiratory health. Some studies suggest it could help alleviate symptoms of asthma and improve lung function. In summary, capsicum, whether in the form of sweet bell peppers or fiery chili peppers, is a versatile and nutritious addition to our diet. So, spice up your meals and enjoy the benefits.